With this AI tool, you can generate a complete video featuring a script, professional voiceovers, and high-quality video footage, all from just a single prompt. For example, if I request a video about the power of influencer marketing in the digital era, I simply hit generate, and it crafts an entire video for me. Let's play this video.
Hey there, digital trend watchers waving hand. Let's dive in today's digital era. Influencers have the power to shape opinions and drive consumer behavior.
As you can see, the subtitles look professional, the video footage is high quality and relevant, and I've also added a human-sounding voiceover along with engaging subtitle effects to make the video look very professional. In this 5-minute video, I'll show you a step-by-step tutorial on how you can turn any idea into a full-fledged video with just one prompt. We'll cover how to customize the generated video to your preferences, how to clone your voice so you can create videos on any topic, even those you're not familiar with. This means you'll never have to do a voiceover yourself again. Finally, I'll show you how to download the video in full HD quality, enabling you to upload it and potentially get millions of views on your channel, just like this one, and earn thousands of dollars every month. So, let's get started. First, visit the website called Simplified. You might not have heard of it before because it's relatively unique. It boasts about 6 million monthly visits, with the majority of its traffic coming from the United States and India. After clicking the link in the description, you'll be directed to the site. Whether or not you have a PC, you can access this tool through its apps available for iOS and Android. Find and click on the AI features option on the website's top bar. Then, browse to and pick the AI text-to-speech generator. When you scroll down to the Explore More Like This area, you will see possibilities for generating voiceovers in different languages. For example, if your channel caters to Arabic-speaking people, you can pick the Arabic option directly. Similarly, options in Russian, French, and other languages are available. Because I'm primarily interested in generating an English language film, I'll select the Convert Text to Speech option. Okay, here is my primary dashboard. You will see your most recent work, which have been saved rather being erased. Simply click on the Generate with AI option and then choose AI Text to Video. This portion is what I call the prompt area. First, choose a video size based on the sort of material you're making. Clips should be smaller, while long-form content should be larger. Next, choose an AI speaker. One notable aspect of this program is the option to add your own cloned voice, which is critical considering that the service has over 6 million users, and YouTube does not allow repetitious voices. If you decide not to utilize your cloned voice, don't worry. I'll provide a solution later in the video. For the time being, I'll choose an AI speaker, but will not use it because I have a unique concept for our monetized YouTube channel. Now we've reached the crucial part of our video creation journey, where you input what is the video about. It's essential to describe your video topic accurately here. The more detailed and precise you are, the better this tool can tailor the video to your needs. Aim to describe your topic within 20 words for optimal results. For example, I'll type the power of influencer marketing in the digital era. Next, it asks for target audience. Here you'll specify your audience's country. I'll type United States. Then you input your targeted audience age range, which for me is 18 to 35. Remember to separate different segments with commas. Okay, magic in progressing. A message box appears. Pay close attention to what it says. We are rendering videos in lower regulations for a faster editing. Alright, no issue, we can play the video once it's ready, but there are a few things we need to manually change by hand to improve its quality. We may change the subtitles to appear more professional as one move. We click on the subtitle area first, and then the color part to do this. I've decided to use transparency to remove any backdrop and not add a color to my subtitles. Next, we'll modify the font for the subtitle. There are many typefaces available, including the opportunity to add your own fonts. For this example, the font Extra Bold Italic looks well. I want all of my subtitles in uppercase. Simply click on the subtitle choice and then select the style option in the upper right corner. You may choose from a variety of subtitle backdrop backgrounds. I chose one with a shimmering backdrop. Then I navigate to text case and pick uppercase. As you can see, I have changed all of my subtitles to capital letters. Now, for the most important part, changing the voiceover. Since YouTube does not allow repeating voices, we must adopt an alternative alternative technique. We'll begin by copying the subtitle portion and moving on to 11 Labs, the greatest AI human-like voice generator easily accessible. Once there, we'll paste the subtitles, choose our preferred voiceover character, and produce the voice by clicking here. As you can see, our voice is ready. Returning to our editing tool, just choose My Assets, drag and drop your human voice, generated audio, and add this layer. But remember to turn off the video's primary audio. Clicking on the audio area displays our previous video audio, which we will not utilize owing to YouTube's monetization restrictions. We now have our video ready. Let us play. Don't forget to watch the video I'll show you next. Make viral YouTube thumbnails with free AI tools.